Thank you for joining us while we prepare coconut roti, chili chutney, and fish curry. This is prepared on a Sri Lankan village island by our villagers. Here are the ingredients.
Coconut, wheat flour, salt, kochi, onions, curry leaves, kenda leaves. Put some salt, kochi, onions, curry leaves, now mix well. Add wheat flour. Now mix with water.
We're going to make this into a dough, and it looks very fresh. All the ingredients are fresh, and we're mixing it with our hands so we can make it kind of like a bread. We're going to pinch it in half. So we have two balls. Then we're going to pinch it again. We're going to make several small balls. And it's a little bit sticky, but with the flour, it helps it stay together. We're going to take our balls and press them onto our tender large leaf. We're going to be making like a pancake, like a doughy coconut pancake. Keep them moist. Then we're going to put them in a pan on an open fire. And the birds are singing so lovely in the background. So we're going to continue this process and add a little bit of water to keep them moist. And we're just going to pat them down real pretty thin to make a large pancake. And it comes off of the leaf so easily. We don't even need any oil. The coconut inside of the pancake will provide the oil. Going to heat up the pan really hot. And we're going to flip them over. They're already cooking. And we're just going to make them until they're golden brown. Aren't these beautiful?
Onions, billing, salt, chili pieces, water.
Next, we're going to make the chili chutney or chutney. We're going to put the chilies on a grinding stone. And here you can see the village people. We put it on the grinding stone and just make sure that everything is crushed for our paste. And we're going to grind it really fine. And this takes a lot of skill here. You have to press really hard to get everything pressed. And then we're going to add our other ingredients. And here we go. We're going to crush everything together in a really fine paste. Just keep scooping it up and crushing it. Such pretty colors and very fresh vegetables. And as you can see, it kind of looks like a salsa when we get everything pressed in there. Smells good. Everything is homemade. We're going to scrape off the roller and scrape off the stone. Okay, now we're going to put everything into a bowl. And you can use a rolling pin at home, of course, when you do this recipe.
Let's make a fish curry. Fish, onions, garlic, ginger, curry leaves and rampi, chili powder, pepper, goraka, cinnamon, ulhal, salt. Fish into a pan. Then put some ingredients. Ingredients. Stir it well. Put some water.
We're going to bring our fish curry to a boil over the open fire in a big metal pot, just like a soup. And these spices and fish are going to marinate together as it cooks and as it cools. It has a wonderful aroma with the fresh curry leaves and the spices. The fish are already cooked. We hope you enjoyed our video today with our recipes. Please leave any comments if you would like, and please watch our other village cooking videos. And please subscribe and hit the bell for new videos. Bye for now.